I met Dorothy in May 2014. I was interviewing her for a mental illness campaign. And when I heard her story, I was pretty blown away.
My name is Dorothy Johnson Spite. Louder.
I asked her if she would be willing to let me make this movie. And she was great and said yes. And never asked me why a middle-aged white guy would be interested in this. Which is something that nobody's ever asked me. But I feel like I keep on waiting for somebody to ask me that. And maybe I ask myself that. I don't know. I fell in love with this story as soon as I heard it, that first time we met. The reason I'm doing this is two things. I'm really angry about the hypocrisy and injustice that I see going on all over the place in this country. This seemed like an opportunity to do something about an important aspect of what's going on in America by telling a story that was really compelling. You know, Dorothy's tireless and passionate and you know, Shakespearean scale of this story is sort of undeniable. If she succeeds, it's heroic. And if it doesn't come off the way I think we all hope it will, then it's tragic. And if that happens, maybe it'll piss off enough people that something good will come of that. You know? So I think that the film can do some good either way. I love great stories that are personal but tell something, you know, expose some greater truth about ourselves or, you know, where we live. It's about personal motivations, challenges, great loss and redemption, epic struggles. So, what could be better than that? I hope you'll support the project. We need money to really primarily travel around the country with her and get this part of the story down on film. Because it's the thing that's going to tie the whole backstory together. You know, it can't just be about history. It's got to be about what's going on now. So I hope I remember to press record, and please support our movie. Thanks.